Hello everyone. I'm going to discuss a little bit about this Cami Research M2 Cableeye cable tester. It was a little picky on USB serial cables. Found out it likes the Prolific more than the FTDI, but I'm going to learn a cable real quick here. So this is a DB9 learn cable. Done. Now I can test cable. Done. Now if I wanted to hit the button, test pass. I don't know if you can see that light, but now if you don't have a cable in there, just disconnect it, it will go fail. Hook this back up, test pass. Now, there's some cables I'd like to test and be able to have the capability of testing. So these connector boards get very expensive because you got to buy two. Or you could do one, and if you have under 64 pins, so you could do 32 and 32. But show you what I got going here. Turn this off. We will remove this board here. I've got this. This is a 3D print model of DIY custom PCBs. I am now dimensionally accurate. So they won't be as thick as a Cami board. Cami boards are using really thick boards, but you can order them as thick. But basically, connector pin 1 starts there, works all the way up. So you can take the Easy EDA software, which is free. I will have the model, the footprint, with the connector. Then all you have to do is import your connectors and hook them up. You can hook them up as long as each pin is each pin. It'll work, and you just learn the cable, and you'll be able to have your own connector boards, and fairly inexpensive. I'm going to try to shorten this down to 100 millimeter by 100 millimeter so you can get the cheaper boards, because this set of 5 of these boards would run like $12. But the connector's common connector, nothing special. But I will make the board available on my blog, link in the description. Works nice. This is a really awesome little tool. I wish I had an M3 or M4. I have my eye out for one. I will get one day. So, but this does its job. So no need to upgrade if it works, right? Catch y'all later.